Passive income ideas. If you don't have much time to give in any business or you want to earn without putting much effort in any work, you must be looking for the ways through which you can earn passively, right? Well, you are at the right place, because we will tell you how you can earn well even while sleeping or doing stuff you enjoy. So, stay tuned. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some amazing passive income ideas so that you can work less and earn more. But before we jump into the video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Invest in the stock market. If you aren't afraid of taking risks with your cash, investing in the stock market is a great way for earning passive income. Moreover, even if you have less than $1,000, you can take a start at a slow pace. In that way, there won't be much risk involved. Don't know how to invest in the stock market? Well, beginner courses are available for people like you, and the best thing is that a number of these courses are free. Number 2. Invest in rental properties. Investing in rental property is an excellent source of passive income. Just buy a rental property once and then collect the rent income from the tenants every month. Also, the renters essentially pay your home loan installments, which means your rental pay is out of this world. Number 3. Purchase an ATM. A bit weird, isn't it? It isn't actually. ATMs can be turned into a passive income stream quite easily. Just make sure that the place you live in is legal and you can buy and install an ATM in your residence for almost $5,000 to $15,000. Once it's installed, there is no need of doing anything else. You can just collect the money and chill. Number 4. Own a vending machine. Entrepreneurship is a major highlight of the pandemic. Vending machines were one of the temporary fads that people jumped on to procure some residential income. If you park one vending machine in any prime location, you can easily earn $50 to $100 every month. But if you park 100 machines in a premium location, then guess what? It will be around $1,000 per day. Number 5. Become a part of virtual office craze. Virtual offices have been introduced during the COVID-19 shutdowns. You can rent a space to telecommuters who want to stay away from the distractions of home. Just set up a fast Wi-Fi connection there and provide some crucial equipment and you are good to go. Creating a virtual office is one of the best passive income techniques. Number 6. Earn through a money-making app. The next idea is to earn through a money-making app. Little to almost no passive income investment is required in this strategy. With money-making apps, giggers and side hustlers get a chance to earn income from 3 simple sources, which include performing specific tasks, watching videos, and shopping online. The more active you stay on your account, the more you will earn. Number 7. Sell digital products. You can sell anything digitally. Online marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, Walmart, and eBay are a great source if you want to start selling stuff online. Just make sure that whatever you are planning to sell is in high demand. People will definitely buy it from you because everybody likes to shop from their cell phones and laptops so that they don't have to go anywhere else. Number 8. Start blogging. Now, let's talk about blogging. You will just have to do a little bit of upfront work like registering a name of domain and setting up the hosting up. But it is definitely worth it over the long haul. Afterwards, you can truly get serious about monetizing the blog. Then, at that point, it will be a genuine passive income source. Number 9. Dropship. It is very easy to set up this business model because much hard work isn't required in it. All you have to do is to partner yourself with a supplier so that he or she directly ships the product to your clients on your behalf. Just create an account on a dropshipping platform such as Oberlo and list the products you want to sell. Number 10. Podcasting. Podcasting is such a fun way of earning passive revenue. Simply talk about any topic, share your point of views, and advertise or sell products online. Free services like SoundCloud or Spreaker are your best friends if you want to start podcasting. Number 11. Publish an ebook. Earn by publishing your ebook on famous platforms like Amazon. This is how you will be able to share your knowledge and expertise with the world, along with getting a decent amount of income. You can also create an online course based upon the content of your ebook. Number 12. Become a social media mogul. Simply create your own YouTube channel. Build up a large following on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter, and here you go. Once people will start recognizing you and you will get popular, you can charge for advertising deals and sponsorships. Number 13. Rent your car out by app. This is another great idea for earning passive income. Just be careful about the money-making app you make an account on because it should be genuine and legit. People will book your car through the app, and you can set your own rates. Additionally, you can even rent out a parking space. This choice is ideal for individuals who live in large urban communities where parking is at a higher cost than normal. Number 14. Affiliate marketing. It is one more type of easy revenue idea that requires almost no work from you. For the inquisitive, an affiliate program is a publicizing model in which a business remunerates outsider distributors for creating leads and traffic to the business's items and administrators. Affiliates do this by promoting others' items through social media or outreach campaigns of emails. Number 15. Practice peer-to-peer lending. This sort of loaning is rapidly becoming perhaps the most straightforward method for producing passive revenue. The cycle permits you to apply for a line of credit from an investor rather than a bank. You can anticipate that returns should be in the 6 to 10% range, and that isn't bad at all. Yet, obviously, with the better yields come an essentially higher risk as well. Number 16. Utilize crowdfunding platforms. Lastly, let's discuss crowdfunding. Platforms of crowdfunding permit investors to pool resources and coordinate with intrigued patrons and land designers. It's a superb method for enhancing your revenue source and investing into things that will bring in cash for quite a long time or even many years. Now, you must be wondering how it functions, right? Well, there are two main types of crowdfunding: equity-based and lending-based. They deliver you profits and interest. That is essentially it. Utilizing the two strategies, it is highly possible for the passive income you earn to surpass what you put in. These were the 16 great ideas for earning good passive income without putting much effort. So, which passive income idea do you believe is perfect for you? That's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment and share. See you in the next one.